Hello guys, so today we are going to change these two double stock exhaust tips to the single one. For this purpose, we had already parked our car onto the ramp and we are going to start the process of installation the single tip. So as you can see on the double exhaust diffuser, this one single side two double tips does not support properly to the exhaust on the corner edges. They are touching. So what we do, we will cut them down, and after cutting these two exhaust tips by using the high flame, we will change the shape of these two side exhaust pipes because we need to squeeze them just to bring them into the shape so that we can install the extension pipe. So now as you can see, these two sides pipes are going to be bent and these are already squeezed. This tip we are going to install and it is started now. Before starting the tip, we have to make an extension pipe on these two bended pipes. So we are installing this extension pipe just to make into the single one out. So after installation the extension pipe, now we will try to put this exhaust tip. We need to keep in mind that should be in the middle because once we will complete the process, we cannot change its position. So wherever you like you want to keep it, just make it in the center. When you finalize its position, we will fix it. So you can see it's already been fixed. Now we will move to the another side, and this side we are not going to make a complete division of the exhaust gases. We will just use a dummy exhaust tip because the customer required to use only the exhaust tip. He don't want to make a division. And this is also a very economical if you just want to put the dummy tip. Here we are doing the welding work just to make it strengthen, that should not fall down. And you can see the other side we are almost going to be finished, and this right side which have already been completed and perfectly installed. The other side is also going to be finished now. The welding work is almost completed. And now we are going to finalizing the process. Both sides have been perfectly installed and are properly centered. So after doing the complete installation, we are going to remove the car from the ramp, and these are the final results. You can see we had installed the body kit on the front lip, on the side skirts, and this is the back view now after the installation of the exhaust and the exhaust tips. Here are our details. If you want to bring your car, you can bring to us.